everyone, and welcome to day one of our 15-day series on SQL tricks and traps. This is going to be a fun series which will help you improve your SQL skills. And to add to it, there will be a fun SQL riddle at the end of each video. Answer them all correctly and you might win free access to some of our courses. So today's trick is one of the most confusing SQL concepts for many SQL developers. Suppose you want to rank employees by salary within each department. Which function should you use? Let's see how each of the three functions, rank, dense rank, and row number behave. As you can see, we have 6 employees across 2 departments. Some salaries are the same, which will help us see how ranking functions handle ties. So first we have added the row number function to our query to see how it ranks employees by salary within each department. And you can observe that row number always gives unique sequential numbers even if salaries tie. Next we have added the rank function. Let's execute the query again and see how it is different from the row number function. So here we see that the ties get the same rank, but the next rank skips numbers. So for department HR, the first 2 salaries were equal. They got the rank of 1, but the next salary got a rank of 3, and therefore the rank of 2 was skipped. Now last but not the least, let's add the dense rank function to our query. Execute it again, and what we observe is even with the dense rank function, ties get the same rank, but the next rank is a consecutive number, so it does not skip any numbers. Now you know the difference between row number, rank, and dense rank and when to use each. And now is the time for a fun SQL riddle. Let's see if you can answer it correctly. Post your answers in the comments and we'll see you in the next video.